Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pear crumble with oats. I found these pears at my supermarket. They were reduced. I've still got the price here, 25 cents, because they're kind of a bit squishy. They kind of need to be used like straight away. So I thought, why not make a pear crumble and share the deliciousness with you. So I've got pears. I'm going to peel and chop them. I'm using organic coconut sugar, but don't be put off by the organic. I get this from Aldi for less than a couple of euro. It's just, you can use coconut sugar, brown sugar, really any sugar you like. That's just the one I'm going through. When I found it the one week, they even just about reduced it, so I bought tons of bags, which I am slowly going through, as you'll see in my videos. And oats, again, even though it says organic oats, this whole bag was 79 cents, so I just figure it takes me ages to go through a bag, so why not get those ones. But use any rolled oats. These are rolled oats. Use any whole rolled oats you like. I'm using cinnamon for some lovely spice, which will go along lovely in this dish, and I'm using unsalted butter. Those are the 5 ingredients I'm using. There's loads of variations. You can add in nutmeg. You could make it spiced with a bit of ginger even if you want, or add in a bit of lemon or orange zest or some juice to give it a little flavor of some citrus, whatever you like. Loads of options. I'll write it all down in the blog post down below. But let me get on first, and I'm going to melt my butter and get my fruit prepared. And I've also got my oven preheating behind me to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to get out a square baking dish and get it well greased and ready for my crumble. So I've got 50 grams of butter melting in a saucepan. My stove top takes ages to heat up, so it'll be a while until this is melted, but I'm going to keep a bit of an eye on it while I prep my pears and get all my oat topping ready. So I'm going to get the topping ready. I'm going to do a cup of oats, okay, a quarter of a cup of that coconut sugar. If you want it sweeter, you can add third of a cup, half a cup, really as sweet as you like it. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon, but again, if you want it more cinnamony, add more. If you want it less, go for a quarter of a teaspoon instead. And I'll give that a little stir through. There we go. And while I've been measuring this out, the butter has melted, so I'm going to pour it over and mix it through. Now this does make a beautiful topping, but I've just decided I wanted a little bit moister, so I'm going to add in some maple syrup as well, a quarter of a cup, just to get that extra nice and moist topping. You could add in honey if you want instead. Just the combination of coconut sugar and maple syrup just make it amazing. So I'll just mix that through. That is perfect. Okay, now we'll set it aside and we'll get our pears prepped. I've got a little square dish over here which I'll grease, and then I'll fill it with the peeled and chopped pears. I've peeled and sliced, roughly chopped the pears. I used all the pears. There were 5 pears in there. All but one were good. One was just not good, and so I had to get rid of that one. So there's a little less pears than I had anticipated, but it's going to be more topping, but it's still going to be so good. If the same happens to you, you can really add in any fruit. Peel up some apple or berries, whatever you like, but I'm just going to keep it like that and have loads of topping go on top of it. Just distribute it around and just pat it all down so the topping goes all the way to the corners. Okay, now it's going to go into the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Just keep an eye until it's golden and crisp to your liking. The pear crumble with oat topping is out of the oven. It smells incredible. You can see how lovely it looks, and I take a piece out of it. You can see the pears lovely and cooked and soft, and the topping is so nice and crunchy. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions and variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.